Atom stock has been consolidating within a longer term bearish trend since the 12th of February of this year, 2025. And in the pre market session of today, if not even the post market session of yesterday, the 24th, the stock has lost 11.61%. We haven't found any news behind this plunge. So if you go by this high of, or rather where it closed yesterday, $5.77, and this intraday low of 4.52, the difference would be roughly 1.29 or thereabout. So if you use that difference, multiply it by 1.618 Fibonacci extension level, you get an upper projection of $7.2. And then if you multiply again with 2.618 Fibonacci extension level, you get 8.49. And indeed, also, we can equally go ahead and even try the 3.618 Fibonacci extension level. We have 4.66. Add that to the current price of 5.11. We have 9.77. So we have been able to come up with 9.78, three upper projections just based on this decline. So $7.2, 8.49, 9.78. Yeah, as I indicated earlier on, we haven't found any news behind this plunge. Something might be responsible for that. Okay. So here on the 5 minute chart, we have 5.58 as a possible upper projection. Further downward projection, 4.59. The algos are indicating that strength, that's a rebound is quite likely. Okay, on the 15-minute chart, we don't have anything. Yeah, the extrapolation is to the upside for both the 10 and 21 period moving averages on this 15-minute chart. On the 45-minute chart, as things stand right now, it might be different by the time you watch the video. We have a rebound to the levels it closed at 5.76. Extrapolation, especially for its 10 period moving average, is that strength is going to come back. A rebound is on the cards. It bounces on the cards. Okay, let's have a look at the 2-hour chart. Okay, let's see. There's an upper projection here of 5.05. 5.55 was in play a few minutes ago, but not in play anymore. The extrapolation on this 2-hour chart is for not extrapolating, not projecting any strength at all. It's projecting weakness and more weakness for the next 24 hours. For the next 40 hours, weakness is projected. Okay, on the 4-hour chart, weakness is projected, but strength is expected to come back by Monday the 30th, the 31st of March. So we have, do we have upper projections? Not, we just have one, 5.11. All the other ones are not in play, but to go all the way towards 6.43. So let's see where our projections fit in. 7.2, let's see, 7.2. 7.2, just right around here. If you go all the way back to, you probably have to go all the way back to February to see whether there is, whether the probability of that printing is decent. Let's have a look. So currently now, for $7.2, the 10 period moving average is 5.71. For its 20 period moving average standard deviation, so for its 21 period moving average. Each 21 period moving average is 5.8. So both of them are all smaller than all smaller than the price of $7.2. Apart from its 200 period moving average, which is higher. So the probability of it, if you want to go by that, if you want to go by the 200 period moving average, you might see that the probability of it printing 7.2 is a decent one. It's most certainly going to be more than 50%. Okay, so if you go by what we have here, you might see that you might find out that we have standard, 10 period, moving averages that are higher than 7.2. This was as of February the 11th of this year, 2025. So if you find the average of those, you may find that at least the probability of it printing 7.2 improves significantly, or reasonably at least. So our next upper projection is 8.49. Let's see, somewhere around here. Yeah, somewhere around here. We have moving averages of standard. Sorry, the moving averages in the past, as of the 11th of February, were equally higher. But we have to find out what it is as things stand right now. 8.49. Okay. Yeah, they're actually less. So by the time you find the average, you may find out that the probability of it printing 8.49, less than 50%, but still very much something that can happen, especially because it has printed those prices already. So yeah, ATOM atom stock down 11%, down 13.69% in this pre-market session. We haven't found any news behind the plunge. Just know how you're getting involved with the stock, and I'll continue to update you. Our upper projections 7.2, 8.49, and 9.78. Thank you very much.